Hello third graders, welcome to a new Padlet. Today we are going to tell each other which one is our favorite cartoon using statements or exclamations. We are going to begin. First, remember to go to the plus sign that you will find here in the under right corner. It is very important that you write your name and your last name to know who is posting this spectacular cartoon. Then I'm going to write a sentence and complete the sentence. In my case, I like very much this cartoon, so I'm going to write an exclamation sentence. That's why I ended my sentence with an exclamation mark. And remember, don't forget to add a picture, and we are going to upload a picture about my favorite cartoon. And my post is complete. Remember, click outside your post to make it ready. Now, if you want to change the color again, you can do it the same steps as before. And also, if you like to cartoon from your friends, you can click on the heart. Have fun, and I can't wait to see what is your favorite cartoon. See you soon, guys.